House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jim Jordan has subpoenaed Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Jordan is demanding Willis and her office turn over any documents that refer to federal funds received in her prosecution of Donald Trump and his allies. Now, Willis has been under fire recently. One of Trump's co-defendants has accused her of having an improper relationship with her lead prosecutor. She's required to respond today to a filing on those allegations. National political correspondent Avajoy Burnett joins us now. Avajoy, what more can you tell us?
Hi, good morning to you, Carolyn. So let's start out here in Washington, D.C. on Capitol Hill. We know that the Congressional Committee, the House Judiciary Committee, they have subpoenaed the district attorney from Fulton County because they want for her to provide certain documents. This is with regards to an investigation revolving around former President Donald Trump. And the Judiciary Committee said for the last several months, they've requested certain documents from the district attorney's office, but they're claiming that they have not gotten these documents. So they want for the district attorney to appear later this month on February 23rd at 9 a.m., not to give a deposition, but to provide the documents in this particular matter. This is new information that is just coming out today. We've reached out to the Fulton County District Attorney's Office to see if they have an official comment on the subpoena, but because this is just now happening, we have not gotten a response from them just yet. Something else that we're also waiting for regarding the district attorney, today is the deadline for her to have an official filing with the district court down there in Fulton County, Georgia, because she's been accused of having an inappropriate relationship with Nathan Wade. Nathan Wade is the special prosecutor who she hired to help oversee that Georgia election interference case, which includes former President Donald Trump and several co-defendants in this matter. And one of those co-defendants is Michael Roman. Back in January, he made the allegation that both Wade and Willis had an inappropriate relationship. Since that time, we have not heard an official response from the district attorney's office, the district attorney herself, or even the special prosecutor in this case. The judge who's overseeing this matter, Judge Scott McAfee, he's ordered the district attorney to have an official response on these allegations by today. So, of course, Scripps News will be watching and waiting to see exactly what will be filed in those court filings. Carolyn?
Now, I know Fani Willis was supposed to give a deposition in a divorce case having to do with her lead prosecutor. That's been put on hold. Do we know any more about that?
Well, we have to wait to see what actually plays out with that particular matter. If we kind of go back a couple of weeks with that particular deposition case, the judge who was overseeing this matter in Cobb County said that the district attorney did not have to testify right away because there's somebody else who they would have potentially been able to get additional details from. And that somebody else is Nathan Wade, the person who was directly involved in the divorce proceedings. So at this moment, the district attorney will not have to testify in that particular matter. But if we fast forward to later this month on February 15th, she's been subpoenaed in another matter to potentially testify under oath. So many people will be watching to see what happens in that hearing later this month as well.
And how do you think this will all affect the Trump case?
That is something that we have to wait and see. We know the district attorney, through reporting from other media outlets, has said that she will not be giving up this matter. If she were to recuse herself from this, that could potentially slow everything down. This is a massive RICO case, something that District Attorney Fani Willis is known to use in order to go after people who she believes have broken the law. So if she actually steps away from this, that could potentially slow everything down. But as of this moment, we want to make it very clear that there are no indications that she plans to step down. We do know that she's been very numb about some of the allegations levied against her in this case. So we have to wait to see. Until she makes an official announcement about any matter in this case, it's all speculation.
National political correspondent Avajoy Burnett, thanks so much for catching us up.